switching up positions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in a bedroom.
Welcome to my channel. This time I will teach you how to edit photos with Lightroom mobile. Please see the before and after. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Enjoy watching. First, go to the light. Exposure, 0.30. Contrast, -38. Highlights, -100. Shadows, 70. Whites, -38. Blacks, 24. And done. Second, go to color. Temp, 8. Tint, 4. Vibrance, 80. Saturation, 26. Then, choose a mix of colors. Red, hue, -12. Saturation, -20. Orange, hue, -8. Saturation, -36. Luminous, 10. Yellow, hue, -50. Saturation, -70. Luminous, 36. Green, hue, -100. Saturation, -100. Aqua, hue, 100. Saturation, 100. Luminous, -38. Blue, hue, -24. Saturation, -24. Luminous, -24. Purple saturation, -100. The next color follows purple. And done. Third, go to Effect. Clarity, 10. Dehaze, 4. And done. Last, go into Detail. Noise reduction, 20. Detail, 60. Color noise reduction, 50. And done. for watching.